Today we are making delicious green chili sauce with beef. This sauce does not last a week in my house. We eat it with almost everything. Here I was enjoying it with my rice paired with some steamed broccoli and chicken breast. Guys, you have to try this. It tastes amazing. Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am Dr. Nation, and this channel is all about positivity. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into it. We will start by prepping our vegetables and meat by washing them nicely. We will be using beef, cooking oil, green bell peppers, some spring onions, some green peppers, some seasoned cubes, thyme, rosemary, garlic, and ginger. To add extra dietary fiber in my sauce, I also added the stem of broccoli. This is optional, but if you intend to add this, then do make sure to slice the skin off so that your sauce doesn't taste bitter. Once all our veggies are chopped into smaller pieces, we'll go ahead and blend them with the cooking oil. Because you're only using cooking oil for the blending, make sure to add the vegetables in smaller quantities. Now, if you have a food processor, then my tip will be to first chop the veggies into small pieces, utilizing the juices from the vegetables before you transfer to the smooth blender. This can save you from using loads of oil in the blending process. Now in a saucepan, we will add our beef and some of the blended mixture. I'll go ahead and add some salt and allow it to cook until the meat is tender. This is how our beef is looking. I will set it aside and fry it. We'll be using it later in our sauce. In a saucepan, add all the blended peppers, cover it and allow it to cook. We will be checking up on our sauce at least every 10 minutes to give it a quick stir so that it doesn't burn. Taste for salt and add any seasoning of your choice. You can add extra cooking oil at this point and leave it on medium heat to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. You will notice a change in the color of the sauce. It will begin to turn dark green instead of the bright green color we started with. At this point, I couldn't just wait to dig in as it was tasting so nice. So how long you allow this sauce to cook actually depends on how long you intend to use it and how you want to store it. So if you're going to finish it up in less than a week or two like I do, then it's ready at this point. But if you want to keep it for longer periods, and most importantly, if you want to keep it out of the fridge, then please cook it for an extra 10 minutes or until it is dry enough for you. You want to get all the moisture out. While this was still cooking, I went ahead to fry my beef. So I'll go ahead now and add it to my sauce. I will let the beef soak up some of the flavors from the sauce for about 5 minutes and then turn the fire off. I tried some with roasted plantains and potatoes, some roasted corn and fish. Yes, because I couldn't wait for it to cool down. Here, I have allowed my sauce to cool down nicely so I can pack and store. I'm going to store mine in glass jars. I also have these microwavable bowls that are handy during those times you want to add to a packed lunch, for instance. I also label my sauces with a date so that it's easier to track back on. One important tip is to always use a clean, dry spoon when taking some of the sauce, as this will prolong the shelf life of your sauce. This recipe is very easy to make, and it's a good way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. Just look how beautiful it looks. It's the green version of the popular Ghana Shito recipe, just that this one doesn't have crayfish or ground fish, so it's much economical as well. I hope you will be making some in your home. It went so well with this steamed broccoli and rice dish, but you can enjoy this with virtually anything like banku, kenkey, jollof rice, plantains, just name them. Let me know in the comment section which food you love to try this sauce with. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next video. Remember to stay positive always. Bye.